Welcome everyone back to Mr. Weather Updates. Now today's video, looking at the radar, we can see there has been a little bit of morning mist and freezing fog, maybe in the morning. Some isolated patches possible, otherwise mostly settled, but a little bit touch cloudier as we are starting to see the peak of milder air trying to push in. You can see here there's a small area of wintry mix going on here in the southwest of England, as mostly turning to rain because the mild air is going to start just around island area. So it's going to gradually turn warmer as days go by. We also see a little bit of snow in the highlands as well. Otherwise, mostly settled for now. Temperatures you can see here again well below average for the time of year. Still not even getting above 1 degrees. But hopefully for after today should be getting a little bit warmer as the days go by. We can see here how cold it got. Purples, we can see how obviously cold it got here. You can see here the purples indicating minus double digits, which did actually happen, which is a little bit ridiculous. We have a look at the minimum temperatures. We can see here it got all the way down to minus 18.3 in an isolated area in the highlands, somewhere called Entler Harassars, as well. So that's in like, I'll say it's around like literally where these pink area is anyway. And that was not far from my guess on where it could hit minus 20. But that is the coldest temperature we've seen for years. So it has been quite a cold one, hasn't it? If we have a look at the precipitation and cloud anyway, again, we could still see some mist and fog patches isolated, especially tonight. We could see maybe a few light snow showers here and there. Otherwise, could be mostly cloudy as well. Tomorrow will be also cloudy anyway. On to Monday. Well, the mild air is mostly there anyway. Quite a damp day with mostly drizzle patches and rain patches as well. And same goes for Tuesday. Not as much precipitation. Only clear spells in the northwest, northeast. Sorry. On to Wednesday, only going to see clear spells in London and the Midlands. Mostly Northern England is cloudy with patchy drizzle possible. So definitely turning more damp as the mild air does turn in. And the UKV was not far from predicting the minus 18 from last night. It says minus 16. It got to minus 18 according to the weather station. Again, not even getting above 0 for some areas. But we could see 1 or 2 degrees in some areas though. See here on to Sunday. It is a little bit warmer, as we can see, 4 or 5 degrees, and starting to see double. We can see single digits now again. We're not into like freezing areas now. And if we have a look at for Monday, just barely getting, just recovering the temperatures. Actually, we can see the mild air is just starting to pulling from the northwest. You can see here the islands getting very mild as well, so you can see what's happening. But still getting to about mid single digits, around average, maybe a little bit below in some areas, but definitely turning a lot milder for the time of year. And on to Wednesday, it is finally probably is going to be turning the most milder, 9 to 10 degrees. Not the mildest I've seen, but it will be most milder in the northwest. 13 degrees is possible as well. So if we have a look at the GFS, we can see how that front is moving with the air of high pressure as well. Could still see some rain in that anyway, as it is still quite high though. That high pressure will be kind of weak. We may be getting some more, maybe a little bit more unsettled conditions by next week, in 2 weeks, sorry, as well. You can see here, just under 2. However, we are seeing some signs that it could turn a little bit colder in the signs of starts of, well, could at least changeable. It did say it was going to turn colder for a little bit of a time. Over there, so we'll have to see what happens there. It does say a little bit more settled as well. So thank you. I'll just screenshot how that mild air is pulling in over there. So thank you very much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.